our question. Two vectors a vector and b vector are defined as a vector is equal to a I cap and b vector is equal to a into cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap, where a is a constant and omega is equal to pi by 6 radian per second. If modulus of a plus b vector is equal to root 3 into modulus of a minus b vector at time t is equal to tau, for the first time, the value of tau in seconds is. So we have to find the value of tau. And for solving this question, you need to know only one thing, that is, if a vector is given us, a vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Vector is given like this. Then the modulus of that vector is given by root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Okay, so in this question our a vector is given by a I cap, so the y component and z component is absent, and v vector is given by a into cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap, and there is a relation has been given, so we have to substitute in this relation. So first we have to find a plus b vector. A plus b vector is given by, so we have to add the x components, so this will be a into cos omega t plus 1 I cap plus sin omega t j cap. Only an a is added extra, so this will be a cos omega t plus a I cap, so that is the a plus b vector. And we have to find a minus b vector. A minus b vector will be a I cap minus this whole thing, so this will be a into 1 minus cos omega t I cap minus sin omega t j cap. Okay, so now we have to equate modulus of a plus b with modulus of a minus b. We have to use this relation. So modulus of a plus b is given by root 3 into modulus of a minus b. Okay, so we have to just square both the sides, LHS and RHS, so you will get a plus b modulus square, so that will be the square root and the square will get cancelled, so that will be just ax square plus ay square plus az square. Here there is no z component, so we have to just square the components of the x and y, so this will be a square into 1 plus cos omega t the whole square plus sin square omega t is equal to root 3 square will be 3 into, so here also a is there common, so we can take a outside, so 3a square into 1 minus cos omega t whole square minus sin omega t whole square. Okay, that will be plus sin square omega t, so minus square will be plus. Okay, so we get the equation like this. Now we simply have to solve this equation to get our answer. So a square and a square will get cancelled. Now we have to simplify this thing. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, so a square plus 2ab plus b square plus sin square omega t is equal to 3 into, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, so this will be 1 square minus 2 cos omega t plus cos square omega t plus sin square omega t. Okay, we know that cos square omega t plus sin square, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so this full term is 1 and this full term is equal to 1, so this will be 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2, so this will be 2 plus 2 cos omega t, 2 plus 2 cos omega t is equal to 3 into, so this will be 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2, so this will be 2 minus 2 cos omega t. Okay, now just simplify this, so 3 into 2 is 6 minus 6 cos omega t Now bring this 6 cos omega t to this side, so that will be 8 cos omega t is equal to 6 minus 2, that will be 4, or you can write cos omega t is equal to 1 by 2. We know that cos cos st is 1 by 2, so you can write cos omega t is equal to cos pi by 3. 60 degrees is pi by 3, so, or you can write omega t is equal to pi by 3, and the question it is given that omega is equal to pi by 6, so substituting that here you will get pi by 6 t is equal to pi by 3. We can cancel the pi's and the 3, okay, or you will get t is equal to t, or tau is equal to 2 seconds. So that's the final answer. So our time will be 2 seconds. Okay, so hope you understood the solution. Thank you.